Ever wondered how many times you've emptied your trash can this week? Now imagine the collective waste of your entire city, country, or even the world. Terrifying, isn't it? Consider this. The average person generates about 4.5 pounds of trash per day. That's approximately 1.5 tons of solid waste per year. Now multiply that by 7 billion, the world's population. It's a staggering number, isn't it? This mountain of waste doesn't just disappear. It ends up in our oceans, forests, and landfills, affecting our wildlife and polluting our environment. But here's the kicker. A significant portion of this waste comes from single-use items and packaging. Yes, those convenient coffee cups, plastic bags, and food wrappers that we use once and then toss away without a second thought. It's a grim picture indeed. But don't panic just yet, because the solution starts right at your doorstep. Enter the zero-waste lifestyle, a simple yet revolutionary concept that can change the world, one household at a time. Here, we focus on reducing, reusing, and recycling, aiming to send absolutely nothing to landfills. Now, that might sound a bit intimidating, but it's not about perfection. It's about making better choices. The benefits? Well, aside from reducing your carbon footprint, it can also save you money. Yes, you heard it right. Going zero waste often means buying less and making more. It's about returning to a simpler lifestyle, one that our grandparents would recognize. And let's bust a myth here. Adopting a zero-waste lifestyle isn't necessarily expensive or time-consuming. It's about making conscious decisions that benefit both you and the environment. So it's high time we stop being garbage humans, literally and figuratively. It's simpler than you think, and here's how you can get started. Step 1. Start by auditing your waste. Know what's in your trash can. This is your first step towards a zero-waste lifestyle. It may seem a little odd, rummaging through your own trash, but it's important to understand what you're throwing away. Are there plastic bags, food scraps, or maybe even items that could have been reused or recycled? Once you're aware of what you're discarding, you can start to make changes. Now, on to step 2, reducing consumption. This is where we start to flex our no muscles. Say no to that plastic water bottle, no to the disposable coffee cup, and no to the unnecessary shopping spree. Instead, invest in reusable items like a metal water bottle, a keep cup for your coffee, and perhaps a minimalist wardrobe. Step 3, reusing and recycling. Did you know that a glass bottle can take 1,000,000 years to decompose? That's right, 1,000,000 years. So why not give that bottle a second or even third life? You could use it as a plant pot, a candle holder, or even a drinking glass. And if you can't reuse something, recycle it. Most towns and cities have recycling programs, so make sure you're making full use of them. The 4th step is composting. Those food scraps that you found in your trash during your waste audit, they can be turned into nutrient-rich compost for your garden. Even if you don't have a garden, you could donate your compost to a local community garden or farm. Finally, step 5, keep learning and adapting. The path to a zero-waste lifestyle is not a one-size-fits-all journey. It's about finding what works for you and your lifestyle, continuously learning and making changes along the way. Remember, it's not about perfection but progress. Every small step counts. Whether it's refusing a plastic straw at a restaurant or composting your food scraps, each action you take brings us one step closer to a zero-waste world. So let's start today, together. Now that you know the steps, it's time to make a change. Are you ready to embark on your zero-waste journey? Each choice we make, each product we buy, and each habit we form plays a crucial role in addressing the global waste problem. It's not just about saving the planet. It's about creating a healthier, more sustainable lifestyle for ourselves and future generations. Remember, no action is too small. Even something as simple as swapping out a plastic toothbrush for a bamboo one or carrying a reusable water bottle can make a significant impact. It's about making conscious decisions every day to reduce, reuse, and recycle. So here's the challenge. Start with one simple change this week, and then keep adding more. You'll be surprised at how easy it is and how good it feels to make a positive difference. Subscribe and join us on this mission. Together, we can make a world of difference. Start your zero-waste journey today.